Hi everyone, my name is Manikiran. I am an MCA student in BIT college. So today I am going to explain the project that is attendance monitoring system using face recognition. So let us discuss about introduction. So what is meant by attendance monitoring system using face recognition? So in a traditional way, the teachers are going to take the attendance through the manual process in the books using by calling the student name or a roll number. So it consumes more time and the number of proxies will be increases. So that's why in order to reduce the time and avoid the proxy attendance, so the attendance monitoring system using face recognition will help to automate the attendance system. So what is meant by this attendance monitoring system using face recognition is it is an automated solution designed to streamline the process of recording attendance by identifying individual through facial features. So what this will do is through the individual facial features, it will uh, it will analyze who is the student and his name. So it will take the attendance through automated solution. So, so it gives accuracy and eliminates the proxy attendance. So it saves the time and advanced by leveraging advanced image processing and machine learning techniques. It gives the most accuracy. So, so why we have to use this automated solution? So what is the problem statement? Traditional attendance system are prone to errors. Sometimes if the student is present, for the crowd sound or student sound or noise, the teacher could not hear the attendance of that student. So that will make an error. So in that leads to inefficiency, and sometimes the proxy attendance will be taken. So and also it takes the time consuming that will takes around 10 to 15 minutes correctly. So for this we have to automate this solution. So these are all the challenges we have to face in a manual system. So that's why we have to move to the automated solution. So next, what are the objectives of this project? The main first one is automate the attendance recording process using face recognition technology. As I mentioned, this will use the facial feature for the recognition. So for that, we are using face recognition technology. Next, second objective is ensure accuracy and eliminate proxy attendance. So we have to train the model for the accuracy, more accuracy. So for that, we are using Haar Cascade. Let us explain in next slides. That algorithm will extract the features of the face and it will give the accuracy for that particular student and eliminates the proxy attendance. And that third main objective is it will save the time and improve efficiency in attendance management. The next fourth one is provide a user-friendly and scalable system for educational and workplace settings. This project will not only helps in the educational system and it will also helps in the workplace settings also. Next, the main last objective is integrate attendance data seamlessly. So if the number of students are increases, we have to integrate those students in the attendance data and also in the manual systems. Suppose if the students sorry if the teachers have the fingerprint scanners, so in order to that we have to implement this also by using face recognition. So next, what are the methodologies we are used in this project? The first thing is image acquisition. What is meant by image acquisition? Capturing facial images using a camera in real time. First, we have to train the model in the machine learning. So for that, we have to capture the images in the camera. So first, we have to create a data set for training the model. For that, we have to collect the multiple images. So that process is called a image acquisition. Next step will be the pre-processing. The first step will the image acquisition. So once the images are collected, next process will be the enhancing images through resizing. The particular size have to be mentioned, or the images have to be resized in a unique format. All the photos has in a single format. So resizing those images and filtering and normalization for better detection accuracy. If all the images are in the same size, the accuracy of the detection will be more. Next, next process will be the face detection. So, identifying faces in the images using algorithm that is R Cascade. So there is a one algorithm that is R Cascade. It will detect the face in the images. Suppose if the image contains the car and a face or a student and any object, it will detect only the face. That type will be, it will train it. So R Cascade is a very useful algorithm to detect the faces. So next thing will be the face recognition. So once we extract the features of the face, next it has to be stored in the database. Next process will be the face recognition. In face recognition, what will be do? Comparing detected faces with stored facial data, use it pre-trained libraries. So once the trained data will be stored in the database, next what will we do? It will checks if the person is belongs to that data set or train, or he is present, or he is stored in the database, his features. So that will compare the detected faces and stored facial data. Okay, sorry. Next, database matching, verifying recognized faces against a data. Okay, that is I explained this. Next, attendance logging. Once the face is detected, the attendance has to be marked or mentioned in the database. For example, he is present on this date. Okay, that data has to be stored in the database. In a manual process, the teachers or lectures are marked in the attendance ledger book. So in the centralized database, it will automatically store the information once he recognized or she recognized. So next, what is system feedback? Next step is, what is system feedback? Displaying results or errors through user-friendly interfaces. Suppose he or she is not present in the database, or not entered their data set in the database, it will shows an errors or displays the result. Okay, she is or he are present in the on that day. Okay. Next step will be the system architecture. So how the system will works. First, it will capture the student image. And the student has to come in front of the camera. So it will detect and recognize whether he or she matches. If matches, it will mark present and get sent. Or if we do not match, that means the trained image of the student is not present in the database, it will ignore and get end. So this flow will be works on the project. So next step will be the implementation. How this system has to be implemented. First, setup and configuration. For setup and configuration, we have to install the uh, Python, and we have the hardware component, which is camera. Camera is must and should because it will capture the student face. So next will be the data collection. Once the setup and configuration is done, next we have to collect the images of the students. So if once the images of the students is collected, we have to detect the faces in that images um, and resize it. Next will be the face recognition. Once the face detection is completed, next the face recognition will be occur. Next, if the student is present, it will mark present in the centralized database. Next, this project says that it is a monitoring system. So, if the student is present, that data has to be shown to the admin on the other side or the server side. So that user interface will show the student attendance. Next, testing and deployment. We have to test in various conditions and deploy in the cloud or a local servers. We use the tools that is the Python, OpenCV. Python is for the face detection and machine learning. OpenCV is the package that is used for accessing the camera or visual. MySQL is the database we use it, and PHP is my backend scripting language we use it, and Ajax. Ajax will runs the server automatically. We cannot run again and again. It will runs the server automatically. So next is the what are the features of the system? What are the features means that will enhance the automated attendance. There is no manual process in this, so it will automate the process. Next, face recognition technology. Here we do not have to uh, work manually. Simply we have to come in front of camera, it will detect or recognize. So next, proxy prevention. Uh, it will checks whether he or she is present or not. This is the only process. There is no proxy. So manually we can give the proxy. So next, real-time processing. If he or she present on that day only, that will make present. We cannot add or remove. We can add in the admin side, but we cannot add or remove in the client side on that day. Next, database integration. So once the student has recognized it, it will stores in the backend in the database. Scalability. We can extend number of students or number of data as we can. Okay. Next, reporting analytics. Based on the centralized database, we can report and analyze the students' attendance, like how many days he are present, he or she was present. Okay. On that basis, we can analyze. Next, here is the result of if we come in front of the camera, it will detect and shows the his or her name on the screen and stores the data in the database. Here, it will shows in the server side that is client admin will analyze the data. Okay. Next, what are the challenges we have to face for this project or this system is first main thing is lighting condition. If the light is poor or inconsistent lighting can affect face detection accuracy. Based on the lighting condition, it will affect the face detection accuracy. So next, pose variations. Faces captured at different angles or expression may reduce recognition performance. This one is next, hardware dependency requires high quality camera for optimal results. If the camera quality is poor, the accuracy rate will be the reduces. Next, processing time. Real time processing can be computational intensive for large data sets. Okay. Next, data privacy. Ensuring compliances with data protection regulation is crucial. Data has to be private. These are all the challenges we have to face in this system. Next, what are the limitations of this system? Recognition errors. Sometimes the facial features among individuals are same. Sometimes some facial features that leads false positives, that lead fail false results. So that is may one the limitations. And next one is environmental factors. If the lighting condition is bad, or if the many more peoples or students are gathered grouped in front of the camera, it will uh, it will confuse camera. Okay, that is the background noise or crowding can interfere the detection. It will interferes the detection. Next, scalability issues. Performance day degrade as the number of users increases. This is one the limitation. Next, dependency on the pre-trained models. Limited by the accuracy of the chosen face recognition model. Based on this pre-trained models also, the recognition accuracy will be matters. Now we can use the deep learning also, but that is also matters how the data has trained or model has trained. Okay. Next, what are the future scopes? First one is enhanced accuracy. Implement advanced AI models for better face recognition in varying conditions. So in the future, we can implement AI models, advanced AI models for better. So as now I said, that is deep learning. So in various conditions, we can train the model. So it will enhance the accuracy of the recognition. Next, multi-factor authentication. So with this of recognition, we can implement the fingerprint also. It enhances the more accuracy of that student. So next, cloud integration. Store attendance data on the cloud for scalability and remote access. So if we use the cloud, the scalability will vast. So we can store multiple students' data. So and we can access in the remote areas. So we cannot bother about the server, hardware, software. So we can use this system. Next, mobile application. So we can develop a mobile app for attendance tracking and notification. If the student is not present, then the direct message will be shows for that student or parents, like that. Next, real-time alerts. Okay, this is the send notification absentees. As no said, we can send the notification for the absentees. Next, finally, the conclusion. The attendance monitoring system using face recognition automates attendance tracking, ensuring accuracy and efficiency. So next thing is by eliminating manual process and proxy attendance, the system enhances reliability and saves time. This is the main thing. The, it will enhances the reliability and saves the time, and manual process and proxy attendance eliminates. So this project demonstrates the potential of AI and computer vision to streamline administrative tasks and improve productivity. It will enhances the it will shows the AI potential and computer vision. So we can improve the productivity of the we can save the time. That is the main thing. Next, future enhancement will focus on scalability and integration. We can use for this scalability and we can use the cloud integration and other system for broader applicability. So thank you.